Today we will start exercise 4E. So in exercise 4E there is word problem. So we have to solve it. So like this you will write date, today's date, exercise 4E, page number 65. Question number 1. You will copy down question. After that we have to solve. So what is the question? 4,300 cookies were purchased for distribution on Children's Day. If 3,886 cookies were distributed, how many cookies were left? So here you can see that left is there. That means we have to subtract. Deduction will be there. Whenever in the question left is there, that means you have to subtract. Means how much is left after using, how much is remaining. So left means we have to subtract. So we will write total number of cookies. Total number of cookies is equal to 4,300. Number of cookies distributed 3,886. Now number of cookies left. Put the sign of minus. Now since here is 0, so we have to borrow from the next number. So this will become 2. Here 0 was there, so it will become 10, but it will give 1 to the next number, so 9, and here will be 10. Now subtract. So 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 8, 1, 2. We can see here 2 is smaller than 8. So again it will borrow from the next number and it will become 12. So 12 minus 8 is 4. 3 minus 3, 0. So like this, question number 1 we have to solve in our copy. Now question number 2, you have to copy down the question and then you have to write. So what is the question? Mr. Paul has rupees 7,812. He spent rupees 5,350. How much money was left with him? Again in the question left is there. That means we have to subtract. After spending the money, how much he is having money now. So total money Mr. Paul has is equal to rupees 7,812. Now money spent or money spended is equal to rupees 5,350. Now money left. So money left with Mr. Paul. So we have to subtract it. How much money is left? So 2 minus 0, 2. Since 1 is less than 5, so it will borrow from the next number. 8 will become 7 and 1 will become 11. So 11 minus 5 is 6 and 7 minus 3 is 4. 7 minus 5, 2. So this is the required answer. Now question number 3. John has 3,215 marbles. He lost 1,072 marbles. How many marbles are left with him? So total number of marble John has. Total number of marbles John has, that is 3,215. Number of marble lost. Number of marble lost by John, that is 1,072. Number of marbles left is equal to 5 minus 2, 3. Again here we have to borrow because 1 is less than 7. So it will become 11 and this will become 1. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 4. 1 minus 0, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. So like this we have solved. Question number 4. Megha choose a dress costing rupees 2,650. She was short of the required money by rupees 1,285. How much money she had with her? So Megha was having some money. So how much she was having? 1,285 only. And the cost of dress was 2,650. Now we have to find out how much money she required more. So again we have to subtract. So we have to write total cost of the dress. What is the total cost of the dress? 2,650. Money or amount Megha have, that is 1,285. Money required by Megha. Now we have to subtract it because we can see that here 0 is there, so it will borrow from the next number. So 10 minus 5, 5. Again 4 is less than 8, so again it will borrow from the next number and this will become 14. So 14 minus 8, 6. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We can see here 6. Now 5 minus 2, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. So like this we have solved question number 4. Now question number 5. The population of a village is 8,623. If 5,162 are male member, find the number of female in the village. So total population has been given for the village and it is given that number of male in the village. We have to find out the females. Males means how many boys are there and we have to find out how many girls are there. So after subtracting we can find the number of females, that is girls. So total population of village. So what is the total population of village? That is 8,623. Now number of males. Number of males is 5,162. We have to find out number of females. So simple, we have to subtract it. 3 minus 2, 1. So 2 is smaller than 6, so it will borrow from the next number. 6 will become 5 and 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 6, 6. 5 minus 1, 4. 8 minus 5, 3. Question number 6. What should be subtracted from 5,000 to get 3,475? So we can understand by simple thing. Suppose we are having 50 rupees. We are having total 50 rupees. So if question will come, how much we have to subtract from 50 to get 32? So if you will subtract 32 from 50, we can get the answer, that is 18. So 18, if you will add in 32, you can get 50. So here also same thing is there, but the number or the digit is bigger than this number. So we can understand by simple subtraction that for finding any number we have to subtract from the number which is given. So here it is given 5,000. So total number is equal to 5,000. Now we have to subtract how much? 3,475. So the number is, so here is 4, 9, 9, 10. Like this we have to do. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 4, 5. 4 minus 3, 1. So this is the required number. Question number 7. Page number 66, question number 7. Ashish deposited rupees 6,200 in the bank and then withdrew rupees 3,550. How much money was left in the bank? So by seeing left, here we can understand that we have to do the subtraction. So total money Ashish have, that is rupees 6,200, or we can read 6,200. Money withdrew is equal to rupees 3,550. So money left. So how much money is left? We have to subtract. Now 0 minus 0, 0. So 5, 11, 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Here 6, 2. So this is the amount left. Question number 8. The cost of an oven is rupees 4,315 and the cost of a washing machine is rupees 9,800. What is the difference in their cost? So what is the meaning of difference? So the meaning of difference is how much they are differing, the amount how much it is differing to each other. That means difference means we have to subtract or find the difference between the two amount. So first of all you have to find out which amount is greater. So we can find out the washing machine amount is greater as compared to oven. So we have to write cost of washing machine. So what is the cost of washing machine? That is 9,800. And cost of oven is equal to rupees 4,315. And what is the difference? So difference is equal to rupees, we have to find out the difference. 5, 9 minus 1 8, 7 minus 3 4, 9 minus 4 5. So this is the difference, that is 5,485.